Hello and welcome back to West 11 Lane. My name is Leanne and I'm an interior designer here in Carlsbad, California, also known as North County, San Diego. Today on my channel, I'm so excited to share with you the top trends in 2020 for kitchen and bath. And this year I flew out to Las Vegas for KBIS 2020, which is North America's largest kitchen and bath show. Due to the fact that I was only able to fly in and out on the same day, it was definitely a lot for me to cover by myself, so I was able to enlist help from some of my favorite designers in various parts of the country, some of which were actually on tour with the Design Hounds.
My own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep the within, holding on to a feeling so strong.
Hi, this is Christine Coet from Christine Coet Interiors, and I'm here in my mobile office. I'm here to tell you about what I thought was awesome at KBIS this year. I know that a lot of people were blown away by the amount of wellness and technology throughout the entire show, but the one thing that I really enjoyed was the amount of color that I saw. There's so much color in across the board, from refrigeration to bathtubs to sinks to customized faucet handles. There was just color everywhere. The tile, I do predict you will be seeing a lot of color throughout new projects coming in the next year or so. Instead of the very toned down neutrals, I think you'll see a lot more fun stuff, and I can't wait.
I'm Kim Cheney, owner of Haven Design House in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And this year's KBIS for me was all about smart home technology and integration into our kitchen spaces. Kitchens are the hub of the home, and there were so many beautiful selections that we could choose in terms of cabinetry, in terms of solid surfaces, even the fixtures that we use. The advances in the appliances, though, really got me excited. I saw things like refrigerators that now can make craft ice, perfect for entertaining. The consolidation of a number of different appliances that we would have seen on a counter before, like sous vide or an air fryer, were all combined into a convection oven, minimizing some of the distractions that people had on their surfaces in their kitchens. Also, there were refinements in existing technologies like GE. They had their Kitchen Hub, the second generation. The Kitchen Hub now is the entire microwave. It turns the front door of the microwave into a functioning tablet, where now you can tap into a world of different apps, download content, play Netflix, eliminating the need for a small TV maybe in the kitchen, and still pop a bag of popcorn. It was really exciting to see these things and new options that I can utilize to make my spaces, the hub of the kitchen, more, like I said, impactful overall. So KBIS was a win for me this year.
Hi, it's Amanda from AMA Designs and Interiors, and today I'm sharing the one trend that I enjoyed seeing at KBIS this year, which is smart home technology. I love the Control 4 booth and how technology is transitioning into the kitchen and bath space, and also improving our wellness. I am a certified design psychology and feng shui specialist, so I am all about creating positive environments and improving our wellness. So when I heard technology was improving our overall well-being, I got excited. So Control 4 can control so many things in our home, but some of the things that I got excited about were controlling our lighting, music, and also our steam showers. So now we can really create an amazing morning or nighttime routine.
name is Amanda Carlson, and I am the owner and interior designer of Anthem Collective in Nashville, Tennessee. One major thing that stood out to me in all of KBIS, or as a trend, if you wanted to call it a trend, is the focus on wellness. Wellness of our bodies, wellness of our minds, wellness of our homes and families. That really struck me, and I loved it so much because it kind of goes along with my theme of my interior design, which is Anthem of Home. What do you want in your home? What do you want your home to represent? How do you want it to work for your family, as opposed to just being aesthetically pleasing, but also how is it working for you to make you healthier mentally, physically, emotionally, all the things. We learned a lot about Mr. Steam therapy and showers, bathrooms. We were able to do a spa afternoon with Mr. Steam. They were amazing. They let us come in and taught us all about steam, also all of the ADA compliant features I saw that were new this year. Very exciting about that because that's wellness for everyone. I loved LK's booth. They were a crack up and fun, and they do the water fountains that are on the wall at schools, but you can also get one in your home if you drink a lot of water. So it's pretty amazing. I want one installed in my house where I can put my water bottle up and get a bottle of water just like as I'm walking by like you could at school. Anyway, wellness is on the rise. I'm very excited, and that is the big trend I saw for 2020.
Hi there, this is Alice Lopez with The True House. I just returned from KBIS 2020 and I saw a big trend of customization in the kitchen and bath industry. There were actually 3 products that I personally fell in love with because I would put them in my home. One of them is actually made by LG. It is a refrigerator that makes sphere ice for your favorite cocktail. I personally love whiskey, so the idea of having a freezer that makes ice that's perfect for each cocktail blew my mind. And on the topic of alcohol, another one of my favorite things that I saw was the plum wine dispenser. So it actually dispenses 2 bottles of wine and keeps them fresh for up to 90 days, which is magical if you don't want to drink an entire bottle of wine by yourself. The third thing that I saw was actually by Thermador, and it was a dishwasher that actually washes your wine glasses, removes lipstick, and it safely washes your wine glasses. So that to me was magical. I love to entertain. And so the idea that I could just throw my guests' wine glasses into a dishwasher and be done is magical to me. So I think that brands are realizing that if we're gonna spend money and we're gonna renovate, we want something that's gonna really conform to our lifestyle. So to have access to these products and be able to recommend them to clients is amazing. So I loved the trend of customization at KBIS this year.
My personal favorite trend this year was the obvious prevalence of earth-friendly solutions. So whether it be providing clean water to our communities, reusing manufacturing materials through closed-loop systems, water conservation and recycling, or the introduction of new building materials that provide a low carbon footprint. It was awesome to see the influx of companies who are really making an effort to provide earth-friendly solutions as we continue to remodel our homes. So those are the top design trends in kitchen and bath for 2020. Leave me a comment below and let me know, number 1, which trend was your favorite, and number 2, which trend was a total surprise to you. I'd love to hear from you all, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.